Welcome to Happy English. Let's get better at listening and speaking. It will be fun and a little challenging. Let's start. The turnip cake, a traditional Taiwanese and wider Chinese delicacy, is particularly popular during the Lunar New Year but enjoyed all year round. Made from grated white radish, often mistakenly called turnip, mixed with rice flour, the cake is steamed until firm, then sliced and pan-fried until crispy on the outside. It's commonly filled with bits of dried shrimp, shiitake mushrooms, and pork, offering a savory and slightly chewy texture. The turnip cake is a prime example of Taiwanese comfort food, combining simple ingredients to create a dish that's rich in flavors and textures. It's often served with a side of sweet hoisin sauce or a spicy sriracha sauce for dipping, adding an extra layer of flavor to this already complex dish. Join us on Happy English as we navigate through bustling night markets and roadside stalls, savoring everything from bubble tea to stinky tofu and discovering the stories behind these iconic street foods.